What's the meaning of Billingsgate? Billingsgate. Billingsgate.
Billingsgate. Billingsgate. Billingsgate is a term that refers to offensive language or abusive, foul-mouthed talk. It originated from the Billingsgate fish market in London, where a lot of shouting and bickering among traders took place. Over time, the term came to be used more broadly to describe abusive or profane language, especially when directed towards someone else. The term can also be used to refer to a location where such language is commonly heard, such as a rough pub or an argumentative workplace. Generally speaking, Billingsgate is considered impolite and inappropriate in most social settings, and people should avoid using it.